Hi there, I am Sharon Tinberg-Mingy, and today I come to you with a question. Can you decrease expenses and increase income at the same time? For most of my career, my answer to that question was no. If you wanted more sales, you spent more money. You hired another salesperson, you increased your advertising budget, you added office staff, you bought another copier. Today, that's changing. Thanks to AI, many businesses are finding ways to increase output while reducing costs. Need social media posts? AI can help. Need email campaigns? AI can help. Need website content? AI can help. Need marketing ideas? AI can help. For the first time in my lifetime, we're seeing businesses increase productivity without adding people. But there's one area where I believe the cleaning industry is still stuck in the past, and that's training. Many cleaning companies continue to spend more and more money on training while getting many of the same results they've always gotten. High turnover, inconsistent quality, callbacks, retraining. The reason isn't that owners don't care. The reason is that most training still depends on people instead of systems. A good cleaner becomes a trainer. A new employee shadows that trainer. The trainee learns whatever the trainer happens to teach. The results vary from trainer to trainer, house to house, day to day. That's not a repeatable system. It's an experience. And experiences are hard to duplicate consistently. The companies that are reducing costs and increasing results aren't removing training. They're improving training. They're replacing random training with repeatable training. They're creating systems that deliver the same message every single time. Just as AI is helping businesses become more and more efficient in marketing and administration, system-based training can help cleaning companies become more efficient in developing cleaners. The goal isn't to spend less on training. The goal is to get better results from the training dollars you're already spending. Because when training becomes repeatable, quality improves, turnover decreases, and managers spend less time correcting the same problems. The companies that learn to leverage AI will save money. The companies that learn to leverage systems will save even more money. And in the cleaning industry, training may be the biggest opportunity of all. At Clean Smart Academy, we've spent years building a training system designed to reduce training time, improve consistency, and help cleaners become productive faster. Our animated lessons featuring Bella Bright and the Professor break cleaning into simple, repeatable steps that can be learned in the office before a cleaner ever enters a client's home. If you'd like to see what system-based training looks like, visit cleansmartacademy.com and start a free trial. You may discover that the goal isn't spending less on training. The goal is getting dramatically better results from the training dollars you're already spending. Until next time, thanks for joining me. Happy training.